Gather round, everyone, because I've got a tale straight from the North Pole that's sure to jingle your bells. This isn't about Rudolph's shiny nose. Oh no. This is a story of Pip, the littlest reindeer with the biggest, bounciest case of the hiccups you've ever heard of. It all started one crisp morning, just weeks before Christmas. The elves were busy. Mrs. Claus was baking, and Santa was checking his list. Suddenly, a tiny sound echoed through the workshop. Asterisk Hick. Asterisk Pip, who was trying to help polish a sleigh bell, jumped so high, he bopped a tiny elf on the head. The elf, startled, dropped a bucket of glitter, and asterisk poof. Asterisk a sparkly cloud exploded everywhere. Santa chuckled. Pip, my boy, you've got the hiccups. Everyone tried to help. The elves told him to hold his breath. Asterisk Hick. Asterisk he tried, turning a bit blue, but out it popped. Comet suggested drinking water upside down. Pip ended up with a wet snout and another loud asterisk hick asterisk, which sent a whole tray of gingerbread men flying. They landed perfectly on a cooling rack, looking like they were doing gymnastics. The hiccups just wouldn't stop. Asterisk Hick. Asterisk Pip's jump shook a snowdrift off the workshop roof, burying a snowman up to his carrot nose dot. Asterisk HIC. Asterisk he startled the polar bears, who were practicing their carols, making them sing 3 notes too high. The whole North Pole was in a state of sweet, silly chaos. Finally, Mrs. Claus came over with a warm smile and a special cookie, still gooey from the oven. Here, little one, she said softly, try a nibble of this. It's my secret no more hiccups recipe. Pip, exhausted from all the bouncing, took a tiny bite. The warm, cinnamony sweetness was so surprising, so delicious, he forgot all about his hiccups. He took another bite, and another, and silence. The hiccups were gone. Everyone cheered. The North Pole was peaceful once again, albeit a lot more sparkly. And from that day on, whenever Pip felt a tickle in his throat, he knew just what to do. Find Mrs. Claus and her magical cookies. It just goes to show that sometimes the sweetest solution is the simplest one. Thanks for listening to Pip's Bouncy Adventure. If you enjoyed this little story, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tales from the most magical place on Earth. See you next time.